Welcome to another episode of South Center's Clips, in which we highlight different videos. The first video, Forage Focus Discussions Surrounds Pasture Bloat Concerns. The second is Sustainable Living, Our Favorite Sustainable Products. The third is Consumer Protection and You, Discussions Surround Home Repair Scams.
Today's issue that we're going to discuss is bloat. And with me is Dr. Steve Boyles, our OSU Extension beef specialist, to talk more about bloat and the concerns associated. Dr. Boyles, please introduce yourself.
Glad to, Christine, and a pleasure to be here. I'm Steve Boyles, and I'm the OSU Extension beef cattle specialist.
Oh no, it happened again. I made too much hummus. What am I going to do with all this extra food? I'm going to put it in a glass storage container because that will cut down on my food waste and the amount of plastic that I put in the landfill.
Make sure that if someone asks you for approval to do a home repair or home improvement job, that you research them first. Go to the local Better Business Bureau. Go to the Ohio Attorney General's office. Do an internet search with the name of the contractor and his company or her company, along with the word scam or complaint or review, and try to make sure that you do that research.
We have listed these in the description, and if you want to see the full episodes, click on the link below.